Hello students, welcome for today's session. In today's session, we are going to study term work 4 titled Write HTML code to demonstrate table tags. So this is the output that is expected. We have to use the table tag and create a timetable for a class. So when we look at the output, we clearly understand that we have to use table tag. So let's start writing the program for this. Okay. The first thing I'm going to start with is the root element HTML followed by head, title. Title I'm going to give it as timetable. Close the title tag. Close the head tag. Alright. Start with the body part. Now the first thing what we have to remember is we have to use the table tag. But can we just check at the output? The first line of the output is given as timetable 1a Python room. So this is not included in our table tag. So I'm just going to use a simple bold tag. Says timetable 1a Python room. Okay. So this does not come under my table tag. It is just the title for the timetable. Now I'm going to start with my table tag. Border, I'm going to give it as 2. Table border, I'm going to give it as 2. Now the first row we can observe in the table is the timings. Okay, horizontally, vertically it is going to be the timings. So 8:30 to 9:30, 9:30 to 10:30. So in this way we have to specify the timings. So my first table header is going to remain blank because the first cell over here does not have any content. So that header is going to remain blank. The next table header is going to be 8:30 to 9:30. Close the table header. Next 9:30 to 10:30. Close the table header. 11 to 12. Table header 11 to 12. Close the table header. Alright, next table header 12 to 1. Close the table header. Next another table header 1 to 2. Close the table header. And then comes the last one 2 to 3. Close the tabling header and then even close the row tag. New row we have to create over here. New row. Close the row tag. Alright. So this is my first row. I'm going to close the table tag. We'll see the output step by step so that you understand the difference. HTML. Okay. I'm going to save it as table5.html as all files. Save. I go to my computer, data, then I say table 5. Okay, I found out my file. Say open with Google Chrome. So did you observe? This is the first row what we have created. We will check the output step by step so that you understand the difference. Alright. If you look at the program directly, it is going to look very big and you may feel that it is very difficult. It is not difficult. You just need to look at the output and then accordingly think which tag needs to be used and then write the program. So now I have completed with the first row. Now the second row, what we can observe, the heading is Monday and then we have the subjects. So I'm going to create a new row with the table row tag. The header is going to be table header is going to be Monday. Close the table header. Now next I'm going to use the table data tag because I want to fill the data into my cells. So the first data is web, second Unix, okay, next C programming, next lunch break. All these are table data, so I'm going to include it within the table data tag. Next, web or Unix lab. Again the same, web or Unix lab. Okay, so that is the end. 2 to 3 is the last slot, so that is web or Unix lab. So I need to close the row tag now. All right, I click on save and I say alt tab and I click on refresh. So in this way we have created a new row. Monday is the table header and all these data we have inserted into the respective. The similar way we need to insert data into the other cells. Now coming to row 2. Again the same thing, table header is going to be Tuesday. Table data is going to be web, Unix, C programming. Okay, then lunch break, web or Unix lab, and again web or Unix lab. All right, and I click on save. I click on refresh. Now can you observe we have inserted the second row. Similarly we need to insert the third row. Again I need to create a new row. The table heading is going to be Wednesday. Table data, C programming or OA lab. Close the table data, first cell, we are over here. Now coming to the next part, that is also similar, C programming or OA lab. Close the table data. Then third cell, aptitude. Close the table data. Then fourth cell we have IC. Close the table data. You need to just look over here and then enter your data over here. Table data, English. Last cell we have is activity. All right, this is my last cell. Next I'm going to close the table row tag. The output, click on. So my new row is being created, the third row. Now create one more row for Thursday. Table row, table header, table data. What is my table data? First cell, C programming or way lab. Close the table data. After that again same, C programming or way lab. See, if you look at the program you may feel that it is going to be lengthy. It is lengthy, but you need not by heart it. You have to just look at the output and then start writing your program. Close the table data. So my fourth cell again has IC. C. Close the table data. Fish. Close the table data. Activities. Close the table data. Okay, and then that's my last. So close the table. I click on save, take the output, say F5. So I've created 4 rows: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 2 remaining: Friday and Saturday. New row, table header is going to be Friday. So table header, table data is going to be here. Okay, so Unix, then web, C programming, IC, English. Okay, so I'm going to close the table data. Close the row because that is the last one. Click here and I say refresh. So we have found out the 5th row is being. Now coming to the last row, that is our 6th row. Create a new row, give the table header as Saturday, close the table header, table data as Unix. Okay. Then next table data, C programming, close the table data, web, last one is English. Right. The row. This is the end of our. So did you observe? It is very simple. You need not by heart the entire program. You have to just first sketch the output, and depending on the output you need to write the code. So we have demonstrated the use of table tags. Thank you, students. See you in the next session.